19th new variant, Omicron, has been detected in India. We have with us Dr. Rajesh Chawla. Sir, how Omicron is different from the previous variant?
Omicron, which is the new name because of the mutation B1.1.1529, which has been detected in South Africa, and there are multiple mutations, 32 mutations, predominantly on the spike protein. And what they have found is that infectiousness, the capacity to spread to other, is much more than the other variant. But so far, the virulence has not been seen, and it causes mild symptoms. Even the people who have come to India 60 years and 46, doctor, they have seen very mild symptoms. This disease is going to come, but I think the good thing is that it is not causing the severe disease. But everyone should take precautions. COVID appropriate behavior should be continued.
So, sir, it means this is a good sign, a sign of relief that the symptoms are mild when we compare it to the previous wave. So, can we expect that hospital will not be overwhelmed like it was earlier? So, there's no need to panic for the normal public.
See, this disease can occur even in people who have been vaccinated, but it is a mild disease. These people most likely will not require admission to the hospitals. They will require isolation at home. So that is a good thing. But as the time passes, we'll know more about this virus, and we will be able to take the necessary precautions and steps to tackle this virus. So we should be prepared for the worst, but hope for the best.
Sir, as we were following the COVID appropriate behavior earlier, so what new can be added now?
More strict. Now all of us have learned that wearing a mask, washing hands, keeping a distance can really control this virus. We've done it earlier. So if we continue this virus will not create havoc like the Delta variant did it last time.
Sir, how can we detect this virus? What are the procedure for that and test for that?
So far it is the RT-PCR test only, but there are studies going on that probably there are three sequence we find out from the RT-PCR. So this can escape the S, but it is still not very clear. But as of now, the RT-PCR is the test to diagnose this virus.
Sir, is there any specific age group to which this variant is targeting?
So far they have not. Take an example. In India, we have 46 and 60. So this has not been, because the number of cases are so less, so we really can't say which group it affects most, but it is affecting, I think, all age groups.
Sir, is there, mostly people are vaccinated now. So what will be the role of booster dose in the coming days?
Not most of the people. People are vaccinated, and now I think there are studies to say that the immunity goes down. So now there is a talk, and in many of the country, booster dose is being given. So in India, like they started last time, people with comorbidities and healthcare workers should now start, because it is already more than 6 months they received their second dose. They should start receiving the booster dose.
Sir, in the second wave, people have noticed breathing issues. So now when you're saying that the symptoms will be mild, so can we expect that this would not happen in the coming days?
Only the time will tell. You cannot say. As of now, they are finding the persons have fever, nasal symptoms, sore throat, body aches is a very predominant symptoms in this. So far they have not found that severe disease. But I think as the time passes, another 10 to 15 days, if you do not find severe disease, and that would be a good news.
So as doctor said that as the time passes, we will know more information about this new variant. But we can also expect a good news in the coming days as the symptoms of this variant are mild. With camera person Deepak, Shrutika, Delhi, for India Today.